Hi, this is Hari. Welcome to another episode of Ask Hari. Today I'm going to answer a question that has been put forward by my student in one of my LinkedIn classes. Let me just read out the question to you first so that you know what the context of the question is. It's pertaining to LinkedIn, and the question is, may I know how to update email address to primary? I've input a new email address and need to override the current one. Thanks. So this question, as per my understanding, is that the student has actually changed the email address, right, and now wants to make that a primary email address. So just before I go about helping you with this, I want to emphasize that it is actually very important that as you sign up onto LinkedIn, you use your personal email address. More often than not, a lot of people use their company email address to do this. There are a few things that, few cons about using a company address, because the first and foremost, you never know how long you are at your current company, right? And that's something that you want to avoid. So the best solution for this is to get your own personal email address, a Gmail or a Hotmail or a Yahoo Mail, and sign up for platforms like this. Right, so moving on, the question was how to make the new email address your primary. So you're on your LinkedIn already, so go on to the profile tab here, click on this, and you move on to setting and privacy, right? At setting and privacy, on the first tab here, you can see who can see your email address, right? Click on that. Once you click on that, you will be taken to this page. All you need to do on this page is, in this area, who can see your email, go down to, you can control your primary email address in settings. Click on this, right? And when you click on this, all the email addresses that you have input here on LinkedIn will show up. Right now I have 4 emails that is showing up. So the top one right now is my primary email, right? And so the rest of them you can actually either remove or make it primary. So I am assuming you will see a new email account here, right? And you just have to click on make primary to make it, and follow the instructions to make it your primary account. While we are here, so if you do want to add a new email, this is where you go to add a new email as well, right? Okay, so that is how you actually change your new email and make it into a primary on LinkedIn. Hope this has helped, and do let me know if there's any questions, right? Thank you so much. Bye bye.